This scene may not cause you medical problems, but for one local woman, it would have sent her into an epileptic seizure.
Good evening. It's a bizarre medical story having to do with Entertainment Tonight's Mary Hart, and it originated here in Albany and is making national headlines. Eyewitness News reporter John McLaughlin has this strange tale.
Now she's going into a seizure now.
Dr. Venkat Ramani of Albany Medical College shows videotape of a 45-year-old local woman having an epileptic seizure. Nausea, dizziness, and blackouts. A seizure whenever she hears the voice of Mary Hart on Entertainment Tonight.
It is always wonderful to come back to South Dakota.
Diagnosis could be easily missed, and in situations like this, it could be most often mistaken for
after a neighborhood rivalry in Troy gets out of hand. As we first
treated at Albany Med Center for having seizures every time she watches Entertainment Tonight and hears the voice of anchor Mary Hart. Our Health Matters reporter Vanita Zahn has the story.
Reactions ranged from the wonderfuls to the stupids to the wonderfully stupids.
Most of us smile at Mary Hart's perky prattle, but not a Capital Region woman. For her, that cheery voice triggers an epileptic seizure.
Obviously, no one believed this story because this is such an unusual precipitant.
It started about 4 years ago. Mary Hart talked, the seizures continued, and a series of disbelieving doctors turned away the 45-year-old woman. Until she met Dr. Venkat Ramani at Albany Medical Center, teaming an electroencephalogram to measure brainwave activity and a video camera to help document a seizure, he put the woman to the test. Sure enough, when Mary Hart came on the screen, the seizure started.
There's the spike discharge. Now she's going into a seizure now. So finally it was we documented, in fact, it's the voice that's triggering the seizure, and that's the most unusual feature of this case.
It's known as reflex epilepsy. The symptoms begin shortly after hearing Mary Hart's voice.
It's like a queasy feeling in the stomach, and the sensation travels up the chest and goes to her head. Then it's a feeling of mental blanking.
Her Mary Hart sensitivity is only one of 2 such documented cases where a voice triggers seizures.
It's not anything specific about Mary Hart or her personality or she as a person, nor does it say anything about the program. It's one individual who seems to be highly sensitive to a specific type of stimulus, and we don't really know why.
Vanita Zahn, Health Matters.